Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys tired of Wi-Fi dead zones at home and workplace? We have a solution for it. In today's video we discuss complete setup of the CUDY RE300 N300 single band mesh Wi-Fi range extender using the WPS push button. This setup process contains only 2-minute setup. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or reconfiguring it, this guide makes the process quick and hassle-free. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. Before starting, unbox your extender box. For the initial WPS pairing, plug the CUDY RE300 into an electrical outlet close to your main Wi-Fi router. Do not place it in the Wi-Fi dead zone yet. Keeping it close to the router gives the extender a stronger signal during the pairing process. Locate the WPS button on the CUDY RE300. Press the WPS button on the RE300. CUDY documentation for the RE300 describes pressing the extender's WPS button first and then pressing WPS on the router within the pairing window. Some versions of the guide specify holding the extender WPS button for several seconds, while another quick guide specifies about 2 seconds, so use the behavior of your unit's WPS indicator as the confirmation. Now go to your main Wi-Fi router. Within approximately 2 minutes, press the router's WPS button. You normally only need to press it briefly. Do not hold the router's WPS button for an extended period unless your router's instructions specifically require it. After pressing WPS on both devices, the RE300 and router will communicate automatically. The wireless/WLAN indicators should show that the extender has successfully connected to the router. If the wireless LEDs indicate a successful connection, the basic WPS configuration is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.